First, you can export your video projects in Full HD or even in Ultra HD for absolutely free and without any sort of watermark. Second is VLLO's user interface, which is feature-packed yet really simple to use, making it perfect for beginners. The third is the app is well optimized that it works great even on older hardware, regardless if it's Android or iOS. And finally, this entire video was edited with VLLO on an old Android tablet. And forgive me for squeezing in another point. For the longest time, I've yearned for a free mobile video editing solution that's reliable so I can recommend it to beginners or use it myself for simple edits on the go. I've installed hundreds, no kidding, hundreds of video editing applications from the Play Store, only to uninstall them later because of false advertising, too many or intrusive ads, lack of features, and literally having to pay for every edit in the project. But recently, I struck gold. I found VLLO on Armando Ferreira's channel where he shot a short film on an iPhone 11 Pro and edited the same on an iPad Pro. I wasn't convinced in the beginning, but hey, I've installed hundreds of applications, another one, so why not? First thing I liked is the user interface. Every feature, option, function you'll need is at the bottom of the screen, keeping your playback and main timeline area clean and uninterrupted. Speaking of main timeline, whenever you import a video that has audio, it shows the audio waveform right on top of the video clip. This is a lifesaver for people who record audio and video separately. With this format, you can easily synchronize your video and external audio and mute the video clip. The main timeline also gives you access to transitions. Now by default, you get few basic transition effects like dissolve, fade, and slide. But with the premium version, you get access to graphics, zoom, and more, and you can further customize them by either slowing them down or speeding them up. If you've tried any kind of video editing, you would have noticed how smooth the trimming and scrubbing was. That's the next thing I liked about the UI. You can trim, move, arrange any layer the way you like it. It's as simple as dragging the white boxes at each ends, or you could use preset options such as from now, until now, or split the video at that point. You are not at the mercy of the editor in this case. In fact, the editor helps you in arranging them with magnetic timeline. And as I mentioned earlier, it works great even on older hardware. The next section is audio. So what type of audio files can you add to your project? Well, first is background music. I use background music in two different ways. First, I use it to sync my audio with my video clips, and second, I use it for what it is, which is background music. You can also add sound effects. You can use your own or you can use the ones from the music library. The last type of audio is voice, which is basically voiceover. Take this moment for example. I'm using a video clip I shot earlier and I've added my voiceover just like this. Alright, let's talk about effects. You can add text, GIFs or GIFs or whatever you like to call it, and animated labels and stickers to your project. They're really straightforward. With text, you could choose from preset designs or create a design yourself. Their font list is not vast, but you'll find something close to what you're looking for. Animated labels and stickers are both cool and quirky. Anything extra that you've seen so far in this video showcases how they look like, so you be the judge. You can resize every effect to your preference and add some fade or zoom animations, but that's about it. For me, I felt the preset designs and fonts were geared more towards vlog or music or fashion or beauty or genres related to those types of videos. If you create content in those genres, then great. You will love the preset and the audio library that they have to offer. It will make your video editing life a lot more easier. I personally like straight and bold fonts and presets, which are limited. I'll probably ask them for an update. Once you have everything set in your project, simply click on export and you can export in 5 different resolutions. Now, if you have the free version, you'll have to watch an ad, but I guess it's a good trade-off for letting you export in high quality without a watermark. If you want an ad-free experience, then it's only a one-time payment of $289, or you could purchase the premium version, which gives you access to all transitions, text effects, and animated stickers and labels that'll give you complete flexibility. Yes, there's no advanced features such as multi-layers or chroma key compositing or keyframing or sophisticated animations, but that's not the point of this editor. The point of this editor is to keep things simple and free. So if you're a beginner starting out YouTube or you just want to make some video projects, then go ahead, install this and give it a shot. And once you have a good grip of how you can edit videos on this application, then go ahead and purchase the premium version. Alright guys, so that's about it for this video. If you know similar applications, do mention them in the comment section below. I'll check them out and let me know what you think about this application as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care in the meantime.